Flowers play an integral part in our lives. They are used in rituals, ceremonies, and offerings, and they symbolize purity, devotion, and reverence. Flowers inspire artists, poets, and even writers. But is that all? I do not think so, and let me share why. Because the other day the flowers on my window ledge got me thinking. The sunflower turned its head towards the sun, and the morning glory unfurled its petals silently. Both of them bloomed so differently, and I realized that flowers are more than just being beautiful. There are many lessons to learn from them. They urge us to adapt differently to our environment, thrive in different conditions, and be flexible in our lives. Harsh weather conditions don't bend or even break them. They still bloom, and if that is not a lesson in resilience in the face of adversity, then what is? Blossoming into a thing of beauty from a tiny seed is a lesson in continuous growth and development. The various shapes, sizes, and colors of the flowers growing together in one garden shows us the beauty in diversity and how to live in harmony and cooperation. Now don't say we plant them in one garden. And even if we do that, it is because we know that the array of colors and the scent of flowers will bring us joy. Everyone knows that life is short. Look at the fleeting life cycle of a flower. It just teaches us to appreciate and live in the present moment, reminding us to find our purpose and contribute positively to the world. It takes time for a flower bud to open and bloom, and unknowingly we learn to be patient waiting for the flower to bloom. Flowers undergo the cycle of life and death just as we do. And when flowers wilt, they tell us to let go of our past, accept change, and move on. Flowers are very delicate, but look how they withstand the fury of nature, telling us to nurture ourselves to be physically, emotionally, and mentally strong enough to withstand the ups and downs of life. Flowers attract us to its beauty, reminding us to appreciate, admire the beauty in others, and not to forget to celebrate the different and the differences. Flowers will continue to grow and thrive in gardens, even grow wild on mountainsides or roadsides. In fact, they will grow almost everywhere. And so, like the flower, seize every opportunity to grow wherever you are. Draw inspiration from them, thrive, and leave behind seeds to carry on your legacy of wisdom and values for future generations. Come back for more thoughts on rewiring life in 1.5 minutes with me, Hira. Namaste.